Good morning, everyone. Hope that you are enjoying some coffee or however you start your day. I've been up for a little while, but I had to get some things done, and Finn has already gone back to sleep. But I just wanted to share with you today, I have about 6 weeks to finish up some major projects that I'm going to be working on here at home before leaving, and I don't know how I'm going to get it all done. I might not. Look at all those mosquito bites. Do y'all see that? But anyway, I don't know how I'm going to get it all done, and that's okay. It doesn't matter if I don't, but I hope to. And one of the things that I forgot to, I did these clips last night before coming in for the night of the things that I'm going to be working on, and I didn't get a picture of, I've got to spread gravel, and when I make the flower beds or define the flower bed areas in Bandit's tribute garden, I'm going to line that with rocks and then fill in with soil and gravel. So I've got a lot of landscaping work to do too. And I didn't show that to you, but y'all have seen my yard. Y'all know what it looks like. And I've had some gravel delivered, and I got to go get rocks and everything for the borders of the beds. But anyway, in 6 weeks I've got a lot to do. What's on your list today? And are you subscribed to my channel? Please be sure that you are, and maybe tell others about it too if you're getting something out of this. All right, everybody, have a great day. I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy these project clips and a very funny one from Finn. This is where Bandit's tribute garden is going to go, and I don't know how exactly I'm going to landscape it yet, but it will go here. Hi, Finn. And I need to paint both sheds so they match. I'll be sharing those colors with you guys soon. I'm going to plant honeysuckle here pretty soon so I can get it established before I travel. Here, I'll plant it on the other side of the trellis. Those are my two new to me chairs. I just love it. I need to drill holes in my metal tubs for gardening. I'm not sure if I will get to it, but I have a paint that I want to do and a stencil on my slab. All of these pots will go somewhere. I need to transplant those flowers out of there because Jana is going to use those long bins in her yard somewhere. No matter what I do, I cannot get my bird bath to stay level once the birds get on it. So I need to put a paver underneath it. And then I'll show you over here. I have a few little trees like this one on my lot that need to be transplanted. This is the walkway that everyone uses here. And this is where I go in and out of my lot to get to Jana's. But that, as you can see, is right on the property line. And I don't want to do that to my neighbors because it would keep being on there. We share this bush, but I'm still going to move that one so it doesn't, as it grows, come over into the pathway and into theirs. And I'm probably going to put it over there behind my shed. There, like I said, there's a couple of more trees I need to transplant too. As you can tell back here, I need to do some weeding. That is one I transplanted this spring. And these are, I'm not sure they're going to make it, but those were a couple of mimosas, which is what that other one was. And I need to do some weeding, obviously, and clean all of this up. And I have some pavers there that I might use for my feeder. We'll see how it goes. This is leftover wood from the framing of my door and window, and then putting up insulation. I got some J-hooks, some big J-hooks, and I'm going to put that on the inside of my shed. So a lot of projects to do, but I'm really looking forward to it, and it's going to be cooler this month, so I will get all of that done so that we can roll mid-November. Where's my dog? He's not in the patio. There Hims is. Hi, Finn. He's just such a good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy. I'm gonna come in and be with you, okay? I was just showing him around. Yeah, he's such a happy dog. Happy dog, such a happy dog. You've already had your dinner. You wanna go with me over to Mama Jana's? We're gonna have some chicken chow mein. Okay. So this is a no-cook dinner for Jana, who had to run errands all day in town. It is shrimp cocktail and sushi.
Yeah, and cheese and crackers.
Woohoo! Love it, love it. Sammy says, I'll take some. You can't beg. He says, what? Psst, I don't know that rule yet.
I don't know that word.
How about we not play with this? Okay. How about we not play with that? Yeah, get you one of your toys. Alright. You gonna bring a fourth bone up here? He's just been getting all of his bones this morning. Oh my goodness. Finn, you're just the best. Sweet boy. Thank you for sending him to me, Bandit. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.